This week, our engineering challenge is to build the tallest tower. So take a look at these towers. What do you notice about the towers? How are they the same? How are they different? Well, one way that they're all the same is that they are very, very tall. They may be different shapes, but they are very, very tall. That's what makes a tower a tower. So that's what you are going to be building this week with materials from home. You can use anything at home for your materials. You can use plastic cups, you can use boxes, you can use empty soda bottles or water bottles, plastic bottles. Make sure it's plastic, no glass. You can use Legos if you have them. You can use soda cans. Make sure that they are empty. We don't want to have anything that has food or drink inside of it. You can also use things like toilet paper rolls if you want. Anything that you have in your home that is not heavy, because we don't want this to be very heavy, or else it could, what do you think would happen if we use heavy things? Think about that. So please, please, please make sure you ask your adults at home first before you use any of these things, okay? Ask them if it's okay that you use them. So you do not have to use these things that I'm showing you on the screen. These are just some ideas. You can use whatever you want that your adults say is okay to use. Also, you don't have to use just cans or just boxes or just cups. You can mix different materials together to make your tower. So your job is to build the tallest tower you can. Okay, so you're not just trying to build a tower, you're trying to think like an engineer and think, how can I build the tallest tower? Like pretend that you are trying to make your tower reach the ceiling. How close can you get it? Okay, if it doesn't reach the ceiling, that's okay. I'm just trying to get you a way to think about making a really tall tower. So, there are some important things I want you to know, friends. Do not climb on chairs or furniture when building your tower. Please be safe. Just like in the engineering lab, I always tell you guys that you can't climb on chairs because that you obviously you could get hurt. So please don't do that at home, okay? Also, like I said, only use materials that are empty, that are not full of food or liquid. Please make sure an adult or an older brother, sister, or family member is with you in the room when you are building your tower. This is just to keep you safe, okay? They don't have to help you build it because this is your activity, but just make sure that someone is watching you while you are building your tower. After you build your beautiful tower, I would like you to do two things. I want you in Seesaw to take a picture of your tower. Make sure that when you take the picture, you can see the whole thing, top to bottom. And then I want you to use the microphone to speak and tell me with words how you built your tower. So just explain to me, tell me with your words the process, the steps that you use to make your tower. Here's some help. So what can you say? You can say, I used toilet paper rolls to build my tower. I used toilet paper rolls because they are skinny and tall. So that's just an example. If you didn't use toilet paper rolls, then you would hear where it says I used, you would say the material that you used. I would also like if you could tell me the steps. So first I got my materials. Then at the end, so I would just like you to describe the process to me because I'm really interested in hearing that. Something else that would be really cool if you could tell me is, after you're done with your tower, I could make my tower taller if I what? So if you built your tower as tall as you could, think to yourself, how could I make this tower even taller? You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but you can think about how could you make your tower taller if you were to make it taller. Okay? These are just some ideas, friends. You can tell me whatever you want to tell me using the microphone about your process. You could even say, I had trouble building this because, or this was really fun because. So I'm just trying to get your thoughts on your building because I really, really like to see how my engineers are thinking when they are building. So, friends, I am very excited to see your towers, and I can't wait to see all your hard work and your pictures and your explanations. So, get to work, guys, and I will check in with you later. Bye.